Hi kids, it's me, Teacher Donna, and welcome to our English time. Today's English time, we are going to have some animal vocabulary, and Teacher Donna will show you some pictures of animals, and we are going to read their names one by one. Are you ready? You have to listen carefully because after this, we are going to answer an exercise. So you will have your homework today. And now let's start. I will share with you our screen. All right. So please take a look at our screen. Now you can see some pictures of animals, and let's count how many animals are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now let's have the first picture. What is this? This is a lion. Lion. Again, L. This is letter L. Lion. Now let's have the next one. This is pig. It starts with letter P. P. Pig. Pig. Now let's have the third one. So this is a duck. D. Yes or no? D. Duck. Duck. Correct. Now let's have the next one. This is frog. It starts with letter F. Frog. Frog. Very good. Now let's have this one. This is a cow. It starts with letter C. K. C. K. C. K. 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 Cow. K. K. Cow. And we have the next one. This is a turtle or a sea turtle. And turtle starts with letter T. 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 Turtle. Turtle. Okay, very good. Now we have the next one. Oh, look at that. This is a sheep. Sheep. And starts with letter S and followed with letter H. So we say sh. Okay? S and H sounds sh. But this is letter S. All right, again, sheep. Sheep. It starts with letter S and SH sounds sh. Sh. Sheep. Very good. Now let's have the next one. This is bee or a bee. This is a bee. And it starts with letter B. B, B, B. B, B, B. B. Good job. Now let's read again all the names one by one. Are you ready? Please listen and repeat after me. Lion. Lion. Pig. Pig. Duck. Duck. Frog. Frog. Cow. Cow. Turtle. Turtle. Sheep. Sheep. Bee. Bee. Good job. Now, before we proceed to the next slide, I want you to please, let's review the sounds or let's review the letters of the English alphabet first. So, as you can see, I have them at the back. So let's start with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. W, X, Y, and Z. So there are 26 letters of the English alphabet. All right, now let's have the next slide. I want you to get your pencil and your notebook and please write this on your paper. Homework, alphabetical order. So again, earlier we reviewed the English alphabets, right? Or the letters of the English alphabet. Now, again, you write homework and then alphabetical order and then write numbers 1 to 8 on your notebook. So you can pause the video and copy this, or never mind, I will take a picture of this one and send to our line group so that you can copy and write on your paper. Okay, now let's have the next slide. So as you can see, we have here the same animals and the same pictures, but here I remove or I change the color of these letters, the initial letter of the words, because for your homework, you are going to write the names of the animals here. You will write them. So how many animals again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, right? And here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And you will write these names of the animals on your notebook. You will write this here, but you have to write it in alphabetical order. So for example, again, let's have A, right? So let's have the first letter of the English alphabet, which is A. Now, can you please take a look at the words? Is there a word that starts with letter A? No, right? So what's next? A, B, B. Do you think there is a word that starts with letter B? This one, right? B. Now you are going to write the word B on your notebook. So you will write B-E-E, the animal. Write the name of the animal that starts with letter B. Now, let's have the next one, okay? So that is just an example. And let's have, what else? So we have A, B, C, D, E. Okay, now we are finished with letter A. No letter A. Letter B, yes, right? This one. And letter C, which one? Can you see a word or name of the animal that starts with letter F? Yes or no? If yes, you have to write the name of that animal on your paper in number 2. Okay, so this is just an example, all right? So that will be your homework. Teacher Donna will erase this. All right, and this will be your homework. You have to write the names of the animals on your paper in alphabetical order. So you have to think A, B, and then C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, you have to look and listen and read carefully and then write the words on this, on your paper. So that is your homework for today. And please don't forget to take a picture of your work once you finish, or once you finish answering, please take a picture of your answer and send to our line group so Teacher Donna can check your work. That's it for today's English time, and Teacher Donna will see you again tomorrow. Goodbye, everyone.